Hello guys, welcome on my channel. Lately I was asked to create some kind of guide or showcase for creating similar kind of NPC follower like I am using mostly in my videos. This video is made as a reaction for this request, and let's start with first topic. First topic is what kind of service I personally advise and suggest to use. For me, I don't know if it's this question is meant to be for LLM service or LLM model, but I could tell you that it doesn't matter much if you use OpenAI or OpenRouter API key for your in-game use. I mostly use OpenRouter or OpenAI in Mental or Chim, and it doesn't matter much. For model, the situation is not such simple, and I will show you exactly what kind of model I mostly use from my recent activity. You could see there on this graph that I mostly use Anthropic Claude Sonnet last version 3.7, basic one. Sometimes I also try to use Beta or Thinking model, but in most my use you could see that I only migrated between 3.5 to 3.7. Second, very curious question is how much does it cost? For this specific model, it's quite expensive to use it. As you see from my activity here, I already spent about 400 USD dollars for using my LLM during gameplays. It is better see here when you see how much I paid as credit for in several months I use it. So now you have a better idea how much will it cost. And for your imagination, I mostly play around 10 hours weekly. So if you are on similar usage of your AI in Skyrim, then if you plan to use this kind of most expensive models, it will be quite costly for you. But yeah, that is bad news. But good news is that you aren't forced to use exactly same model as me for your gameplays to reach almost similar good responses from NPC followers like I have. I could point you which models could be interesting for you as well. As you see here, there are quite a lot of models, and I personally don't have time to test them all. It's nonsense to test every model by myself and find out how well responses from NPCs would be compared to Sonnet, but there are a relatively big group on Discord related to Mantella using, and they create and update reviews of every model which currently seems to be interesting. So as you see in this table, let's check where Sonnet is. There will be relatively low. And here is a short review how well it behaves during using, and also there is some note if it is capable for NSFW content or not, I mean sexual explicit content. If you plan to use it, it's relatively useful information as well. So for Sonnet, are reviews best from all these LLMs mostly, but there you could also see how much does it cost. Yeah, so this table will give you quick review. You will have a good idea how it works for someone else. So in your case, it won't be bad to use it as well. But of course, there are some important features which you have to consider before you will start to use it. As for Sonnet, there is sure that it's have vision compatibility, so that is second reason why I mostly use Sonnet, because I have guarantee vision feature for my gameplays, and it's one of the most important things for me. If I don't count how well this LLM model will handle my requests, I mean prompts, which need to be worked with. Now you see that Sonnet is most expensive but offers quite good features compared the other models. What does it mean? For example, I always recommend to not use models which don't have a high context window. For Sonnet, it's 200,000 tokens, which is quite nice context. So your limitation is really low. But for some models, there are quite low values like 16,000, and be aware that if you play longer time and have quite complex prompts, complex memories which you send to LLM to work with, and you also have quite complex profiles of your NPCs, you will need this value to have quite high, like somewhere around 50,000. Yeah, it will be. It will ensure that there will be much reserve for your gameplays, because there you will send quite lot of content when you play with characters longer time with much more memories. For example, I'll show you here for Sarana, which travels with me quite long. I have here some memory file, and in this memory file you see that she remember quite a lot from our journeys, and it is problem when you send such many data to LLM with prompt and other settings from your previous gameplays, and of course her profile, which could have several pages. These profiles which I am using for testing are quite short, but for some of my characters, like for example Vermilion, I have a really complex profile which have several pages. This one 12 pages, for example, and it's quite lot of data which you are sending every time to LLM service. So for this topic, I mostly recommend those with high context around value 50,000 or higher, like Sonnet have. This is the first thing. So I showed you that it could be quite expensive for someone who won't use Anthropic Claude Sonnet, but you are not forced to use it. You could use cheaper one, like for example, very popular Llama 3.1 without vision, so you don't pay for vision all time as me, and your costs should be 10 times less than my cost for Sonnet. So if you remember how much it cost me, for example, I pay around $20 pay my gameplay day, and you probably not pay more than $2 with cheaper LLM service like this one. Yeah, so it could be relatively cheaper for you compared to me, and the performance still could be good, but and it's also capable to use sexual explicit content and react on a current situation, but without vision. There are many new interesting versions and cheap as well, like RC AI. It will cost you 10 time or 20 time less, and but if you need vision, it could be quite a problem, because mostly cost you more. Like Google Gemini 2.5 Flash seems to be nice alternative to Sonnet, and it is 5 times cheaper than Sonnet. So this could be option for you if you need to pay less, or if you don't need to use vision as me. There are many suitable replacement with good performance. But back with Sonnet, why I recommend to you to use Anthropic Claude Sonnet? It's because I experienced that it's best for human-like behavior and reactions, and using humor, like sarcastic, witty, or double sense kind of humor, more intelligent forms of humor. It's better use Sonnet. And also it's not restricted for censorship. As I mentioned, sexual explicit content, it is suitable to use it, and it have built-in visual support, so you don't need to use some another model where you need adjust vision. I mean, like here, Montella, and it's only for Montella, I guess, could allow you to use another model which have vision compatibility, and it could be also cheaper way for you, but I'm not using that. So this is first topic.